Must the same attorney who handled a divorce also assist in the modification, or can I hire a new attorney? Attorney Paul Mirabelli explains. Certainly, you have the right to replace your attorney at any time. You can even replace your attorney in the middle of a divorce case if you're not happy with their work or you believe that your relationship with the attorney has broken down. A client can change attorneys at any time. Notably, these decisions are always up to the client. An attorney cannot force a client to allow them to continue to represent them. As I always tell my clients, the clients are the boss. So as a client, what you say is what controls the situation in terms of who represents you as an attorney. Attorneys are supposed to properly advise clients, but the clients have to make the final decision. As a trusted bankruptcy lawyer, family lawyer, and divorce lawyer, Paul is here for all of your legal needs. Your case gets our complete attention at every stage, and we work diligently to help you get the positive outcome you deserve. Call now for a personalized case evaluation, or visit his website at www.paulmirabellilaw.com.